Don't forget to subscribe for weekly tours and updates. And it's me, your host, Mr. Bucket List. And here we are today at Sapphire Falls. Across the street you have the Aventura Hotel. And here we are in the main lobby. It's got a nice beautiful view. You get to see the lake. Got a nice public viewing area for the TV. Now let's check out the room. And here we are, just a standard double queen room. It comes with a beautiful lake view. Got the glass doors. The pool is pretty nice, but yes, it can get crowded. You got a cool little courtyard. Beautiful, nice spiral staircase. And of course you got the water taxis. And this is what's next door. We got the Royal Pacific Hotel. Both hotels have a really nice gym. All around the hotel you have these little touch screens. It's pretty cool. And this has got some really clean bathrooms for the public. Islands of Aventura. Some restaurants. Now on to the pros. And here goes the cons. As far as my rating, this is definitely a must-do. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly tours and updates. Until then, I'll see you next time. Yes.